Hi everyone, and welcome back to the summer reading program craft videos. So for this week we are going to make a Cheshire Cat Mobile. So there are a couple of things that you will need. So first, look at your craft bags. You will get 2 wooden dowels, 3 pieces of ribbon, 4 pieces of paper with Cheshire Cat body parts on them, a pipe cleaner, and some fishing wire. So hang on tight and I will show you how to make this. So grab your dowels and your pipe cleaner, and I am going to show you how to make it so that it stays like this. So you want to crisscross your dowels and kind of make sure that they are even. And then what you're going to do is you're going to thread this pipe cleaner around this and like this. You're going to cross them over and make it so that you're tying a knot. And then with this one, you're going to go under again and over like that. And you're going to want to do the same to the other one. So go under like this and just make sure that they are roughly the same length. So you're going to go under, over, over, over. And you're going to keep doing that, over, over, and then go around like this, until it's like that. And it should stay. If you're worried about it slipping, you can always hot glue the bottom. Take my hot glue gun here, and the loose bit I can actually just glue just a little tiny bit like so that it stays on. Now while that is drying, we can put that to the side and we can grab our piece of paper here. So you should have a Cheshire Cat head, 2 arms, and a tail. You want to get your fishing wire. So this is the first one here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to thread it through the hole. And you can do this one of 2 ways. You can tie it or you can hot glue it. I'm going to hot glue it. And just put that aside and wait for that to dry. Now I'm going to do the rest of that with these, and I will be right back.
Okay, so this next clip, I had to get my helper to come in and tie the knots on the dowels for me because it was a 2-person job. So if your parents can help you do that, we are just tying each of the Cheshire Cats to each different point of the dowels so that they look like they're dangling. And the fishing wire, we did all different lengths, and that's basically it. That's what we're doing in this clip. So enjoy watching us do that.
So you want to grab your ribbon and you want to make a little fold at the top like this. This is where we're going to stick it on the dowel, and then you want to wrap the ribbon around your finger like so to make it curly, and then you can just pull like this and just stretch it out a little bit. So we want to make the ribbon on the tail side. We just wrap it around the dowel, and then we will grab the other ribbon and do the same thing. Just wrap around. Like this. This one's a little bit harder to curl, but you can try. Twist it around like this. Make it a little bit curly, and that is your Cheshire Cat Mobile. So it looks something like this. If you have any extra fishing wire, you can tie it up at the front here and you can hang it from the ceiling. That is your Cheshire Cat Mobile. This one's a little bit difficult, so you probably will need your parents' help with it, but if you don't, then that's great because I was literally also struggling. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching. This is our second to last craft, so the craft after this will be the last one of the summer reading program. We will see you for the next craft. Bye.